Tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis can cause pain on the outside of your elbow. Here are some effective ways to manage and reduce the pain. Now first, rest your arm. Avoid activities that make the pain worse and give your elbow time to heal. Next, apply ice to the affected area. Use an ice pack for about 15 to 20 minutes several times a day to reduce the swelling and numb the pain. All right? Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen, or another one that I'll leave in the description, can help relieve the pain and inflammation. And be sure to follow the instructions on the label if you really must go and get yourself these products. All right? Now, gentle stretching and strengthening exercises can all be beneficial. So you should start with that before you go and buy anything. All right? Once the pain decreases, try wrist flexors and extensor stretches to improve flexibility. Using a brace or forearm strap can provide support and reduce strains on the elbow during the activities. Finally, consider a physical therapy. So basically, a therapist can guide you through exercises and techniques to strengthen your muscles and improve your range of motion. And if the pain persists, consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment options. And with proper care, you can manage tennis elbow effectively.